Ayrton, back with another video, and I got my sister's here today in this video, and I got two new cars to unbox. The HW4 track and the Ice Shredder. And we're going to be unboxing them today. They're two new cars. Here we go.
That was so funny.
The Ice Shredder is going in lane 5. And the HW4 track we're going to be unboxing is going to be going in lane 2. And we're going to be racing. Starting off today, we got the HW4 track and the Ice Shredder. In 3, 2, 1. The HW4 track won, number 55. And between the two noobs, the HW4 track won the race. What? We'll see you in the next video. Just please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.